Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Are you ready to unlock the true power of Windows? Ever wondered what's really happening behind the scenes of your operating system? Today, we're diving deep into Microsoft Sysinternals over at learn.microsoft.com/en-us/systeminternals. A suite of powerful tools that can help you diagnose, troubleshoot, and optimize your Windows environment. Whether you're an IT pro, a developer, or just a curious Windows enthusiast, Sysinternals will give you the insights you need. Sysinternals is a collection of advanced system utilities developed by Mark Russinovich and Bryce Cogswell, now part of Microsoft. These tools provide a level of visibility into Windows that's simply not available through built-in utilities. We're talking about tools that allow you to monitor processes, analyze file system activity, inspect the registry, and much more. Think of them as a set of surgical instruments for your Windows system. First things first, let's get Sysinternals. Head over to learn.microsoft.com/en-us/systeminternals. You can download the entire suite as a zip file. Simply extract it to a folder of your choice. No installation is required, which makes them incredibly portable. Now explore all the software on the extracted zip file. To learn more about Sysinternals, be sure to check out the official Microsoft Learn documentation. It's a fantastic resource for in-depth information and tutorials. Remember, Sysinternals is a powerful toolset, so use it responsibly. By mastering these tools, you'll gain a deeper understanding of Windows and become a more effective system administrator or developer. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.